Today we're going to make pan con tomate, which was requested by my wife. We lived in Spain for many years and we would like to make this dish. Pan con tomate means bread with tomato, and we're going to make our own version of this today. It is definitely a Spanish-inspired cuisine dish we're going to make. It is very delicious on bread. It's actually a bread spread, so we're going to make it today for you. I'm going to saute the red peppers and the garlic a little bit with cold pressed olive oil. That just releases some of their juices, and it also takes away the bitterness of the garlic. And we use cast iron, as I said before, because it's way healthier than using PFOA non-stick pans. These are the sautéed garlic and red peppers. Okay, so I'm going to blend the sautéed vegetables as the red pepper and garlic. I'm going to start with half a cup of water because we don't want this thing to become too watery, because it's to be able to spread over the bread. Blended, we're going to add a little bit of Himalayan salt, just a sprinkle. That probably is 1/3 of a teaspoon. And this is maybe just a dash of this. There we go. So I would say that is about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So this is the finished product. We like the consistency. It is nice and thick, not too thick, but perfect for putting on bread, or you can actually eat this as a soup if you would like. It's also very healthy. Delicious. I'm going to spread this generously over the toasted bread. This is whole wheat bread that I bought at a local bakery. Italian bread is very good quality, that's why we buy Italian bread. As you can see, I'm spreading it generously here. On top of this delicious sauce, I'm going to add tomatoes, cut cherry tomatoes, which you also buy locally. They're very sweet and very good quality. As you can see, I'm just putting a couple on them. And then these are lightly fried basil and a few drops of olive oil. Just adds a delicious flavor to the bread. And this is it.